Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, August the 26th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into the room, and it is a free room. I share my screen all day long. No tricks about this. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. You can come on in as a guest. I'm live on the mic between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And yeah, if you want to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, you can click on this link and there'll be a promotional code that you'll see. If you took everything we have to offer for a full year, works out to about $4 less, about $4.17 a day. All right, this has been a very choppy day for me. I made some mistakes early. I didn't take some profit in several trades. I'm in this one, by the way, this Bright Cove BCOV. I'm in it. This might not work out either. I'm in at 1253. NOMD, I'm going to try to be really quick in this particular video because I want to get back to the room. Took this trade right here at 1125 and it popped up to 1144. I took my eye off it, did not take the profit, some profit, and I actually, very rarely, I sold basically at a flat for this trade, and then it started moving down. So that was the first one. Second one, though, was no excuse. Took this one at 59.25. Excuse me, 59.25. This was because this was a Holly trade earlier in the week, and it had a nice looking daily. I don't think there was no resistance really to see on the daily. So I like the fact that I was even toying with the idea of swinging this one. And so I took the trade right here at 59.25, right about here. You know, moved up to 59.40, nothing spectacular. But again, I took my eye off it and I actually sold at a loss for this one. So that did not work out very well for me. I did take beat from Holly, and I know I'm racing through these. I do want to get back into the room. Beat from Holly was an alert at right here at 1923. Took the trade at 1930. I'd sort of learned I wanted to scalp this one. I wasn't going to mess around. The market was a little bit weak, and Yellen was speaking today at 10 o'clock. So I mean, things were just kind of up and down. So I took a quick profit on this one at 1942, and then as it was coming down, took some out at 1933. ePay knocked me out. This was one that has kind of high hopes for it. Take a look at yeah, right here, it had broken through 24. If you look on the 5 minutes, I think it might look a little bit better. A little bit. You see this bottoming tail? I thought, okay, now we get this nice candle here. It's going to start to move. And I got into the trade at 2408, just above the whole number. You know, look at the pop. And again, I didn't take anything out, and I just should have. I was off my game today. There's no doubt about it. And I actually sold. I wanted to sell at 24, and I couldn't. Sold at 23.95 for a loss. So again, you know, this was just a day in which, it was for me anyway, a very topsy-turvy day. The one I did miss was ADSK. ADSK was an earnings play, and just take a look at it on the 15-minute. Just a fabulous earnings play. I was saying in the room that I hadn't, there had been some other earnings plays earlier this week, and a lot of times, and they didn't look perhaps quite this good on the daily. No, I mean look at the break here at a consolidation, but they didn't have any follow through. Most of them just didn't have any follow through, and they might get the pre-market pop and maybe a little pop at the beginning, and then they just drifted down. So I wasn't that enamored with watching this one, but look at this. It just kept going up and up and up, and on a day in which the market is not crashing or anything, but it was just very, very choppy, at least what I found. Anyway, this is definitely an abbreviated, what are we calling it, video for today. You can tell it's Friday, 1:43, another 2 hours, and I'm weekend. So anyway, abbreviated video. Thanks for listening. Hope everybody has a great weekend. And this is how you get into the room. It's a free room, no strings attached. I usually open the room at about 8:45. That's when we start talking about some of the setups that might take place during once the market opens. Here is a link excuse me, for a subscription to Trade Ideas, and there was a promo code once you type in that link and click on it. There was a promo code there for you. And again, it's about $4.17 a day if you took everything we have to offer on an annual basis. All right. Thanks a lot for listening, and have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday morning. Bye bye.